Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, old friends and new friends, to the 8th Sulaimani Forum at the American University of Iraq in Sulaimani. Dr. Mack has given thanks to his team. I want to thank him in particular for his strong efforts on behalf of this forum, along with university staff, his team. Their incredibly hard work over the last several months contributes to this wonderful opportunity to solve problems. I thank the chair of the AOS Board of Trustees, Dr. Barham Saleh, for his extraordinary vision and support of this forum and of many other aspects of university life, as well as at least 4 or 5 trustees who've joined us from our board today. Special thanks go to Mr. Saad Hassan for his extraordinarily generous support of the forum, and to the other donors who've supported our occasion today. Earlier this week, we thought that we might have to delay the forum. We decided that though the worst time to hold the forum might be now, it could also be the best time to hold the forum. Yesterday, I taught a class in one of our foreign policy courses talking about the 1967 Outer Space Treaty. During the bitter international rivalry of the Cold War, nations came together to agree that outer space was the heritage of all mankind and would not countenance the presence of nuclear weapons. We meet today at a momentous time when the need for diplomacy and political innovation is starkly apparent. Thank you all for accommodating uncertainty in your travel plans as the price for optimism. Now completing its 17th year, AUIS has 1,300 students from every government in Iraq and the Kurdistan region, as well as from Syria, Turkey, Iran, and Afghanistan. 26% of our students come from outside the Kurdistan region, which I believe is the highest percentage of any university in the region. Our 250 staff and faculty come from 18 different countries. Now, people from 18 countries have different ways of analyzing problems. This diversity leads to innovation and is one of the reasons why we regard ourselves as an American-style university. A second reason, we believe that our students learn outside the classroom as well as inside the classroom. Teamwork and leadership skills learned in an environmental club or on a football field are as valuable as academic excellence and critical thinking learned in a classroom. As a non-governmental, not-for-profit university with no investors and with a mission of public benefit, our university is dedicated to educating the kind of people every country needs, respected citizens and community leaders, as well as outstanding employees and professional leaders. In 1967, that same year as the Outer Space Treaty was signed, a faculty committee, a small group at the University of Chicago, issued a report on the role that universities should play in social and political issues. This is a hot topic. The Calvin Committee of the University of Chicago concluded that universities should decline to take institutional positions on most political issues. Instead, universities should serve as unbiased hosts of debate. AUIS is proud to host this Sulaimani Forum as you seek solutions to urgent, complex, and important problems at regional, national, and international scale. All of us at the university give you our strongest support for your work.